Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Educational Television. Today, we're going to learn about tomatoes, how they grow, like other vegetable plants. Alright, come with me, take a look. Alright, usually the tomatoes would start as a seed, and then they would grow into this big plant right here. Now normally they would start in a potting soil, like inside your home, and then we transplant them just like this. Then they grow into these. What also happens when they grow into these is they produce this little tiny flower, as you see right now. Oh, you probably don't see it yet. If I could find it, at least. I don't really see it on camera. Can you see it? Oh, there it is. I couldn't get the lens further. Anyway, these flowers right here is what produces the fruit on the plant. Now that part becomes heavy when the fruit grows onto it. The bees would pollinate this flower, making the tomato turn from green to red within a couple of months. Ain't that cool? And that's the life cycle of the tomatoes. Thank you for watching.